Here's my review on the Makita DJR183 reciprocating saw. I think it's their smallest, if not one of their smallest versions. I've got the big mains voltage one, which I use for a lot of work, but I'm going to be working in a loft. So I'm hoping this might be handy. Let's put a battery in, see what it does. I mean, the build quality looks good. It's got a main body trigger. You have to depress the safety button to get that to work, but it's under speed control. It's got this trigger on the top of the body as well, with a safety switch, speed controlled as well. It's got the light, normal fitting of the blades. Just pull that lever over to the left, clip the blade in, held fairly securely. So let's give it a quick test. Copper, as I'm a plumber, let's try that straight off. So it's got no rake action on it, it's just a standard saw through. Once it gets going, goes through it okay. Let's try it on some steel. Got some 25 by 25 box here. So I did speed this up, but I reckon it took me 1 minute and 20 seconds. Not too speedy, but and hard to keep straight, but it does the job. Also, it's got this guard, which you can move out. Bit fiddly though, have to find an Allen key, put it through a tiny hole, locate it, move it in and out. I mean, I don't think you're going to use that much. On the whole, I think it's going to do the job. It seems pretty robust. Can't expect too much from it. I mean, it was only £100 including VAT. I think it'll be a good one.